Mastering the phrase, chop down. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Chop down. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. When we think of the verb, chop, we might picture someone using an axe or a knife. To chop down something, typically a tree, means to cut it so that it falls. Imagine lumberjacks in a forest, chopping trees so they can be used for wood. That action of causing the tree to fall by cutting its base is what we refer to as chopping it down. Now, as with many English phrases, chop down can also have figurative meanings. If someone says, "She was chopped down in her prime," they don't mean someone literally cut her with an axe. Instead, this is a metaphorical way to express that someone's progress, life, or career was halted or ended prematurely, often suddenly or unexpectedly. To help solidify your understanding, let's go through some example sentences. 1. We need to chop down the dead tree in our backyard before it falls on its own. 2. The young athlete was chopped down by an unexpected injury, ending his season. 3. I don't want to chop down your enthusiasm, but we need to be realistic about our goals. From these examples, you can see how the phrase can be used both literally and figuratively in various contexts. And there you have it. Now you know all about the phrase, chop down, and its various applications in English. We hope you found this explainer useful, and don't hesitate to revisit anytime you need a refresher. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy speaking.